And here we are once again. We have completed all three of, the secondary levels, level 2. So, it is time for us.
Smashing, young Ty. Let's get to work. I have a lock on the talisman. This should be extremely simple. Yes, indeed. Simple as can be. Yes, no.
And behold, the second boss. This, boss terrified me. Where's my Zoomerang? There he is. Will he come up to the edge with me? Come on. Let's get a look at you. Come on. Oh, there he is. Come on, let's get a look at you. Yeah, that's a big reason why he scares me, is that you can't just... If you fall in this water, you cannot just, hop up on those rafts. See, there he is. Hey, bud. Look at that. He's got metal teeth, he's got a metal exoskeleton, and he's got teeth inside his mouth. Yeah, see? Forget this boss. But yeah, so I was terrified of this boss as a child. Oh, there we go. I think it was this one. Terrified of this boss as a child. So, I refer back to the fact that I was... every time I have a nightmare... Oh god. Ooh. Yeah, see, he came running. Also, he's like... let me... One thought at a time, Coco. Oh my gosh. So basically, every time I have a dream where I'm in any body of water whatsoever, I will immediately be attacked by a shark. It doesn't matter how big the body of water is, doesn't matter... whatever. One time, I swear, I remember just being in a bathtub, taking a bath, and then, wah, shark. The next thing I wanted to point out was that this guy reminds me a lot of the sharks I heard about, where they'll stick their nose up out of the water. But, like I said previously, I actually remember this boss fight and how to do it, so... So, he will grab onto the chum, going gang 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 for a while, and go, oh, well, what's this? What have we here floating in the water? Why don't I just get a nibble? Y'all ever seen the movie Jaws? The creators of this game have. Boom. Smile, you son of a... And he gets stunned, it looks like. He's not very happy about that either. So I don't know if he's going to do anything special. Oh dear. What was that? Just doing a little dolphin dive? Is that what it was, buddy? I don't know how he changes up the... I don't know how he changes it up, Go on. I don't know how he changes it up, because, this is the rule with bosses, is that every time you gotta change it up. I'm not sure how he's gonna do that. But we shall see. Boom. So he's very angry. He's rather cross. Okay. What you doing, bud? That it? What was I scared of this guy for, other than, you know, shark. Go get it. Go get it. You know, I guess, you know, as an adult who's done this before, it makes sense in my mind. But as a kid, you know, I really just could not figure out what to do at first, because I was like, okay, so if I break these dumpsters full of chum, he goes and he bites them. Am I supposed to jump on him? Am I supposed to bite him? Am I supposed to... Like, I couldn't figure it out. And, like, took me forever to notice that, hey... He's got... You okay there, bud?
That poor shark was a cybernetic pawn of Boss Cass.
Hey, bud. And a Free Willy reference on top of our Jaws reference.
Swim free, sweet crikey. Swim free. You beauty!
You have come far. This will be no easy task, but I have faith in you, my friend.
Don't just stand there like a stunned mullet, mate. Julius has got something that will help you enter Cass's crest, mate. Off you go.
Ah, Ty, good to see you. I've again harnessed the energy off the talisman machine. Let's see what we get this time, shall we? My word, this must be a Frosty Rang! Ripper! Yes, oh yes, the Frosty Rang can put out fires, freeze enemies, and even create ice cubes in water. To select it, use the previous rang and next rang buttons to...
Yes, we know, Julius. Oh my gosh, they glow blue. Hell yeah. So is this how I'm intended to... Hold on. God, it's like the... Yeah, it's like the ice arrows in Legend of Zelda. Okay. Before we go on to the next level, I wanted to show off something real quick that some people might not actually know about. So here's something you might not actually know about this level. But I do, because I was a giant fraidy cat who just didn't want to actually fight the boss because I was scared. Check it out! You can actually get up here. Neat, right? Like, there's no reason to be here other than, like, an extra life. But, yeah. Alright. So from this point forward, I'm flying blind. Aside from, like, a snippet of a speedrun I saw of a GDQ, we're pretty blind. I don't know what all these are, or what we're gonna be doing. All I know is I'd like to avoid water levels for a bit, so we're going to avoid Rex marks the spot. Beyond the black stump, so the wildlands, and then we got Lyre, pants on fire. Lyre? That's spelled like Lyre, like a lyre bird. At least I assume that's what it's spelled like. So let's go and I guess have a look.
you go first?
No, you go first.
Well, I went first last time.
Get in here! Did you take care of that troublesome Tasmanian tiger?
Well, that's just the thing, see?
He's kind of, good.
What? I cannot believe that a rat could outwit my two best lizards.
He's too tough for us, boss. I was thinking, instead of trying to stop it, maybe we should,
You okay, boss?
Come over here. Just come over here. I won't hurt you.
Sure thing, King K. Rool.
Now, what's my name?
Cash?
No, that's my last name. What's my first name?
Oh, I know.
Let him answer.
Boss?
That's right. And I ain't only boss around here. And I do all the thinking. Now get out of my sight.
Jesus!
I've surrounded myself with numbskull imbeciles.
Maybe I can help. After all, who knows Tasmanian tigers better than me?
Who indeed?
Is that Dr. Evil, like, pinky to the mouth pose? Oh my god, this is literally just...
This rainforest is home to some beautiful fauna and flora and some twisty-turny paths. Just remember to keep your wits about you and you'll do okay.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. We can blame that one on the portal time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was gonna say, that is 10,000% like Sonic Boom, the animated series. I could see why this game has a little bit of a cult following.
Howdy ho! The name's Lenny. Lenny the Lyre bird. Ooh, we have got some trouble in this dusty old desert.
Don't you mean Rainforest?
Yeah, Rainforest, that's right, sure. Anyway, Boss Cass has kidnapped Princess Orchid. I'll show you where she's being held captive. Follow me, if you know what I mean.
I don't like you. I don't like you. So this actually, now that I'm looking at it, is the snippet of a GDQ that I did see, where apparently there's a skip you can do where you jump on his head. And I think that's not it.
Come on, jump in here. Come on, jump in here.
Oh.
Follow me and do as I say.
Oh no. Do 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 da do do do. Ah, that's such a satisfying little thing to do.
This button opens the door.
What? I get it. Okay, everything he tells me to do is going to be wrong. Alright, we're gonna not... Okay, so everything he tells me to do will be wrong. So he stood next to the right side, so I went left and accidentally got it right.
Follow me and do as I say.
Absolute liar. You are the worst. so angry I'm gonna bite those things unnecessarily. Yeah, now I see it.
This button opens the door.
Uh-huh, sure.
Follow me and do as I say.
This is wild.
Jump to the other side.
I don't trust you at all. There's a golden cog there. Okay, so this is where you go if you fall down. What's even fur... Ah. Oh, I thought that was like another cave. Where is this? Whoa! Okay. Cannot believe it's a... What the? They're ninjas! Alright. Get out of here. Got the Mega Rang. Suffer.
Follow me and do as I say.
How's about we... What? Oh, are those ticks? Oh my god, those are ticks. You're terrible. You are terrible. I hate you. Ugh. At least it doesn't look like they're deer ticks or anything, because deer ticks are even worse. At least it's just muddy and not like sink mud.
Bite these spy eggs to reach the other side. Yeah, go ahead, go on, go on. Oh, they're delicious. You'll love them.
Why are you the worst?
Bite these spy eggs to reach the other side. Yeah, go ahead, go on, go on. Oh, they're delicious. You'll love them. Ow.
Shut up, Lenny. How do... They should respawn. We'll come back to that one.
Spy eggs to reach the other side. Yeah, go ahead, go on, go on. Oh, they're delicious. You'll love them. Follow me and do as I say.
Shut up, Lenny. I'm not using the infrarang so much because, you know, I don't want that sonar beep to be annoying. This is familiar. Not that I'm complaining, but I mean, it makes sense. We're in the rainforest again. I already hear the bongo spiders. That's interesting. Apparently I accidentally did something. Ah! There was a button in here. Quit it! A little low energy this episode. I'm in the middle of my lunch break today, and I usually don't play Thai on my lunch break because it can run long. Usually I save lunch break for like playing Echo or recording Echo or editing. Jeez, I couldn't think of the word. But you know, I kind of just sat there and I was like, you know, I really feel like playing Thai today. I like how this is developing. This is, you know, it's a childhood game that I never finished, that I get to come back and enjoy. I don't trust you. Besides, I need to go backwards. Worst. Watch me get to like the end and there's gonna be like one thing he says to do and he's like, okay, now this is super important. Super important. And he's actually telling the truth.
This water slide is pretty dangerous. Hey, wait right here. Yeah, right, don't move.
So you working for Boss Cass, or are you just a jerk, Lenny? I'll have to go back up top and get the uncles that I missed now. Oh. Well. What is this?
Follow me and do as I say.
How's about we just don't? How the, what the? What are you? Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. No, no, no. The heck is up there? Alright, well I need to go down this again. And I remember a long time ago when me and my sister was playing this game with me, I was biting at like trees and stuff to see if I could break them. And she reminded me of this really stupid, this really immature version of All-Star. Ah, shit. Of All-Star. And it was somebody once told me the world is macaroni, so I took a bite out of the tree. It tasted kinda funny, so I spit it on a monkey, and the monkey started cussing at me. Said a beep 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 beep. All that cheese was rotten. All that rotten cheese will make you constipated. It's super stupid and immature, but like, you know, Shrek was new at the time. So, I mean, it's about as good as we had. Alright, so we need to turn left. Turn left, Donna Noble. There we go. Ooh, almost missed that. Okay, then we need to turn right and then left. Alright, left, then right. And just like that, we are almost done with the 300 opals. And I generally want to believe that means we're pretty close to finish with the level. Which is good, because I have just done up some fried chicken patties, and I would love to get at them. Oh, they're like geckos or something. They're like, yeah, they're like geckos or something that, like, probably camouflage on the tree. Get out of here. Okay, well there's Julius's opal machine, but we're not quite done yet. There's another Bilby. Yeah, a little gross out warning, but this reminds me of the this video I saw forever ago of wallabies or something at a little like watering hole. And the crows, the local crows, had learned that wallabies will sit still for a second. So they formed a sort of symbiotic relationship with the local wallabies, where they'll just chill, they'll chill out, they'll be like, sure, show me that ass. See what happens. Where they'll basically more or less chill out by the watering hole in order to what in the basically the crows would eat the ticks off of the wallabies.
Oh, Ty, this is terrible. Boss Cass has stolen all the water.
Well, that's no good.
Indeed. I think these levers could reverse the flow and fill the lake again. We're all counting on you, Ty.
Hey, no worries.
Jeez. Okay. I don't trust the spider webs anywhere I look. Alright. Oop. Come on. There we go. Now we go up. Oh, shit. Yeah, apologies to any child who is on this video. I'm not censoring myself. I am trying to swear less, but I'm not censoring myself. So, if your parents overhear me cussing on this video, that's a you problem. I apologize for nothing.
Here we are! Princess Orchid is inside. So, oh, hey, is that the time? Oh, I gotta go. I got something else to do. Yeah, I'm whipping up some fried calamari. Woo, delish. Yeah, gotta go. See ya.
Uh-huh. I really don't care about you guys. I care about the Bilby friend. seems just a bit too easy, don't you think?
Job well done. Now the lake's back to normal thanks to you. Oh, by the way, something popped out of the pipes when the water started flowing. Would you like it?
Ripper!
Just barfs out an entire little puddle. Are we sure he stole the lake and just not the foliage? That really is what this looks like, is that he just stole the foliage, not the lake. I'm so perplexed. Also perplexed where I missed a frickin' opal. Here we go again. Frustration. Alright. It is getting pretty close to time for me to go back to work, and I'm hoping... Oh. I guess all where the other golden cog was. That's the cool part to me, is that I get to see all these parts of the video. I get to see it from start to finish. You know, and that is something that I'm really coming to enjoy. I especially hope you guys are appreciating my more focused and more, I guess, higher quality edits that I've been doing. Like how what I've been doing where when I put text on screen, the little black box will pop up first and then the text will appear. And then once the text goes away, the back box shrinks away. I'm also planning on putting a little head next to it. You know, just like a cute little like head of me barking. Or something, you know? Just something. Alright, now Lenny wants me to go in there, but I see this. What's in this side entrance?
Hey, you! Lyre bird! The name's Lenny, yeah, and I got witnesses to prove it.
What are you up to, Lenny?
Listen, buddy, I left something very shiny and valuable inside, but it's hot in the furnace. If you heat the furnace with those flammerines of yours, yeah, well, the door should pop open. Gee, no, hey, no, wait, look, this time I'm telling the truth. No lies, cross my heart.
Lenny. I'm putting you between me and that, though, I don't get it. Ah. I see what's going on. How's about we just, Wow! What is causing this? Yeah, that's what I thought.
See, I told you I had a surprise. Did I? I did. Next time, trust your Uncle Lenny.
Pwah, you beauty!
You beauty nothing! This laser bird was gonna friggin' make you blow up the place. As I'm definitely not gonna have time to comb through this entire freaking level all over again. Oh! Well, hi.
messed with Boss Cass. Now, I'm gonna mess with you.
Yeah, let's, Alright. I'm just gonna... Actually, hold on. Can I multi-ring? Okay, he doesn't seem to care about those. Alright, I'm just gonna keep mega ranging him because it seems to be working. What kind of rangs does he have? I like those sound effects. Those are cool. Gotcha.
I can't believe it. No one's ever beaten me in battle before. You haven't seen the last of me.
Well. Shit. Alright. What are we missing? 300 opals, time attack, gantry glide. Alright, so I'm back from work, and we are going to go ahead and do time attack and gantry glide. Oh, and apparently I found all 5 of the things here, which, by the way, for a little bit of transparency, I did go and find all the paintings on 2UP, and I found like another painting on Rainbow Cliffs. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do gantry glide, whatever that is, and time attack, and we're gonna hope that we find that one missing opal.
Let's you and me race, brah.
Wouldn't be surprised if I accidentally found it on while doing this. Get out of my way. Just...
I did it!
Dang!
Wow, you won! You got lucky as all.
Uh-huh, sure.
Fair is fair.
Sure thing, Chubby.
Next time I'll beat you. Sweet.
Okay, how about next time if I win the race, I get to rub your belly. How about that? No, go away, Lenny. Go away, Lenny. I want nothing to do with you. I think I found where I missed it. Boink. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the very end, because I have a sneaking suspicion that Julius's, that the gantry glide is going to be somewhere around that, which, by the way, let's take a moment to acknowledge that. Boss fight that we just had with, I believe his name is Sly the Hedge, or, I keep making the joke that I just complete Freudian slipped it. Sly the Tasmanian Devil. So we have Ty and we have Sly. And I'd like to point out that I got a Steam achievement for beating him called Brotherly Love. And it's like, I want to be surprised by that, but it's like, we have seen exactly one family of Tasmanian tigers, and that was Ty's family. So, like, I want to be more surprised than I am, but, you know, it's just how it be sometimes. Get out of here. And give me that. Now... Wait. I like to hear the thing. Thank you. I like to hear the thing. Now, I'm gonna assume... Now, on the map, it says Gantry Glide, and it appears that there's some sort of log on the map, so I'm assuming if I look around, I'm gonna find... Go away. I'm assuming if I get up high and get back on these things... God damn it. And I will be honest, I don't know what a gantry is. I'm just kind of shot in the dark, assuming that these things are a gantry. If it's not, then I will happily, pause recording and Google that real quick. But yeah,
Here we are!
shush. So we defeated Sly, which I'm gonna assume it wasn't meant to be quite that easy. It's just that I had the Mega Rang, and I was just, not sitting still. Ah, okay. That was right. What happened there? I have a tendency to bring out the glitches in games. I don't know what it is. But, like, I have a tendency to bring out the most peculiar glitches in games. Like, I mentioned it in my Observer playthrough, but I actually... There was a spot in the game towards the end where I was in the high-rise where I just fell through the floor. I have no clue how, I have no clue why, but that particular spot in the game, yeah, I just fell through the floor. What? Okay. 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 Also, I noticed, anthropomorphic animals are afraid to have belly buttons and nipples. But once again, given some of the artwork I've seen of characters, I get why maybe they don't want to encourage that. Well, now that this has been taken care of, we're going to go ahead and head back to Rainbow Cliffs. I'll be oh so happy to see you guys in the next one. You'll have a good night, guys.